Hello friends, welcome back to the Books Capsule. Today we have an exciting video for you on the renowned book, Think and Grow Rich, written by Napoleon Hill. Napoleon Hill, an American author, is known for his writings on the movement of new thinking and is considered one of the greatest authors who wrote on success. His book, Think and Grow Rich, has become one of the all-time best-selling books. In this book, Napoleon Hill delves into the fascinating world of the power of thoughts and the mind when it comes to achieving financial success and personal satisfaction. By exploring the connection between our thoughts and our careers, Hill provides valuable insight into how our mindset can shape our lives. Published in 1937, Think and Grow Rich is a timeless, self-help classic that investors and entrepreneurs should definitely read. Hill's philosophy taps into the secrets of achieving success in our professional lives, fulfilling our ambitions, and attracting success into our lives. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I encourage you to do so immediately. By subscribing, you won't miss out on any of our enlightening videos. And don't forget to hit the like button as well. Our channel is renowned for providing some of the best book summaries on YouTube. Now, I must mention that our videos can be a little longer at times. However, this is because we never compromise on the content, ensuring we provide you with a comprehensive understanding of the book. So it's crucial to watch the video until the end to fully grasp the valuable insights presented. Are you ready to take control of your destiny and uncover the power of your thoughts? Think and Grow Rich is more than just a book. It's a state of mind that can help you manifest your strongest desires and discover your true purpose. But let's be honest, it's not easy to turn your dreams into reality. It takes determination, unwavering focus, and a willingness to raise the stakes. The author of this powerful book presents a formula for success that revolves around your desires, ideas, plans, and massive actions. So where do you see yourself, and where do you want to go? It's crucial to never give up and to seek new connections and methods to help you achieve your goals. Don't be afraid to improve your skills and tap into available resources. Finding the right people who can support you on your journey is key. Of course, it all starts with a burning desire. The author explains that a powerful desire is driven by both pull and push motivations. The pull motivation is the favorable outcome that draws you toward your goal, while the push motivation is the fear of the negative consequences if you don't take action. Think and Grow Rich highlights 5 critical areas of focus: career, leadership, money, failure, and other people's desires. When it comes to your career, it's essential to shift your concerns from ego-driven factors like title and salary to focusing on what you will gain and how you will grow. This may involve seeking out companies that offer excellent opportunities for growth. Leadership is another key aspect to consider. Learning from someone at the top of your field, someone you admire, can have a significant impact on your career trajectory. By following their lead, you can gain valuable insights and skills that will help you advance. And let's not forget about the role of money in achieving your desires. The author provides a series of steps for those whose desires are centered around financial success. In conclusion, Think and Grow Rich is a guide to mastering your fate and taking command of your soul. By tapping into the power of your thoughts and adopting the right mindset, you can turn your deepest desires into reality. It's time to step into the captain's seat of your life and set sail towards the life you've always envisioned. Do you know how much money you want and what kind of job you desire? It's important to have a clear understanding of what you can offer in return for the money you desire. Once you have that clarity, establish a definite date by which you want to achieve your financial goal. But remember, it's not enough to simply desire the money. You need to take action and create a concrete plan to fulfill your desires. Starting now, make a commitment to yourself and map out a strategy that will lead you to success. And when it comes to failure, don't let it discourage you. Instead, detach yourself emotionally from your defeats and take a closer look at what you can learn from them. Discover why you didn't achieve your desired outcome and use that knowledge as an opportunity to make necessary changes and reach even greater heights. It's also important to understand that helping others can play a significant role in achieving your own goals. If you're an employee or freelancer, focus on assisting your company's owner or manager in meeting their goals. By excelling in your area of interest and contributing to their success, you can also advance your own goals. But success and failure are deeply tied to your mindset. Your thoughts and beliefs have a significant impact on your achievements. Foster positive beliefs in your mind and visualize yourself attaining your desires. With repeated instructions to your subconscious mind, faith will be cultivated. Make a conscious effort to eliminate doubts, denial, and fear from your thoughts, as these negative emotions can hinder your progress. Believe in yourself, and others will believe in you too. Successful and confident people are sought after by employers as they have the power to make a positive impact. To build your own self-confidence, try writing your name along with a powerful statement that you can repeat daily. This exercise helps influence your subconscious thoughts and actions. Know that you have the ability to achieve your purpose. Make a promise to yourself to take action and dedicate time every day to transform your thoughts into reality. Recognize the importance of self-confidence and commit to spending at least 10 minutes each day working on enhancing it. Never give up on reaching your goals. Stay persistent and determined. And remember, if you help others along the way, they will also be inclined to assist you when you need it. So go ahead, know what you want, establish a plan, and believe in your ability to achieve it. The power is in your hands. Do you ever find yourself constantly putting off important decisions? Do you struggle with overcoming the enemy of procrastination? Well, you're not alone. Procrastination is a common enemy that every person must conquer in order to achieve a success in reality. One of the biggest reasons why people fail to accomplish their goals is the lack of persistence. However, it all depends on your desire. Weak desire will only lead to weak results. On the other hand, if you have a burning desire and a definite purpose, you are setting yourself up for success. Persistence is the sustained effort necessary to induce faith, and it is the foundation upon which success is built. The power of will is at the core of persistence, but there are other factors that influence it as well. These include having a clear sense of purpose, being self-dependent, having well-defined plans, possessing correct knowledge, fostering cooperation, and cultivating good habits. To develop your persistence, the author suggests following 4 steps. The first step is to develop a definite purpose behind which there should be a burning desire. Without a clear and compelling purpose, it is difficult to stay motivated and persevere through challenges. The second step is to make a definite plan that expresses continuous action. Having a well-thought-out plan keeps you focused and ensures that you are consistently working towards your goals. The third step is to get rid of negative and discouraging influences. Surrounding yourself with positive and supportive people is essential for maintaining motivation and staying on track. Lastly, accountability is crucial. Find someone who encourages and supports you in following your plan and purpose. Having someone to hold you accountable can help you stay committed and overcome obstacles. Another powerful tool in achieving persistence is the power of the mastermind. A mastermind is a team of people who are committed to helping you succeed and execute your plan. Who will be in your team and how will you manage it in the next 30 days? Building a network of like-minded individuals who share your vision and goals will greatly enhance your chances of success. Finally, the subconscious mind acts as a connection link. It is a combination of human policy and never-ending old age. If you ignore your desires and fail to plan for them, your thoughts will fade away without materializing into action. It is essential to communicate your desires to your subconscious mind and create a plan to turn them into reality. In conclusion, persistence is the key to conquering the enemy of procrastination. By developing a burning desire, Creating a concrete plan, surrounding yourself with positive influences, and harnessing the power of the mastermind, you can overcome any obstacle and achieve success. Don't let hesitation, lack of interest, or any other symptom of a lack of persistence hold you back. Take action now and watch as your dreams become a reality. Unlock the power of your subconscious mind and take control of your life's destiny. By embracing 7 big positive emotions, you can harness the immense potential within you for your own benefit. Desires, faith, love, sex, romance, enthusiasm, and hope are the keys to unlocking the door to your subconscious mind. But beware, for negative emotions have the power to destroy any constructive opportunities that come your way. Fear, jealousy, hatred, revenge, greed, superstition, and anger must be avoided at all costs. They have no place in your subconscious mind. If you truly want to thrive, picture your mind as a broadcasting and receiving station for thoughts. Every human brain functions as this station, constantly transmitting and receiving vibrations of thoughts. Your subconscious mind is the transmitter, sending out these powerful vibrations. On the other hand, your creative imagination acts as the receiving set, picking up the vibrations of thoughts from the atmosphere. When these vibrations reach heights of positivity, your mind becomes more receptive, adapting to the abundance of positive energy. These fast vibrations, traveling from one brain to another, shape your thoughts and ultimately mold your reality. The key to unlocking your full potential lies in developing your sixth sense through meditation and the cultivation of your mind. Once you have mastered this sixth sense, you will possess the ability to recognize and avert any dangers that come your way. Moreover, you will be able to seize the opportunities that present themselves, embracing them with open arms. However, doubt and fear act as barriers to the sixth sense, inhibiting its power. Doubt and fear are closely intertwined, creating a destructive cycle that hampers your progress. It is essential to address and conquer these basic fears: poverty, criticism, ill health, loss of love, old age, and death. Additionally, be mindful of the negative influences that surround you, for they are your seventh enemy. Protect yourself from this adversary by seeking out the company of positive-minded individuals who inspire you to think and act in alignment with your goals. Surrounding yourself with such influences will uplift your spirit and keep negative emotions at bay. To take control of your thoughts, wield the power of your will. By consciously directing your thoughts and influencing your subconscious mind, you can shape your reality and manifest your desires. The mind is a powerful tool, but it must be harnessed and directed towards positive outcomes. Step into your power, embrace the 7 big positive emotions, and banish the 7 big negative emotions. Let your mind be dominated by positivity, creating an impenetrable fortress where negative emotions dare not enter. Your subconscious mind holds the key to your success and happiness, so unleash its boundless potential and embrace the life you deserve. In today's fast-paced and ever-evolving world, it's essential to stay ahead of the game by continuously acquiring specialized knowledge. This can be achieved through a variety of means, such as attending courses, seminars, reading books, summaries, or participating in industry conferences. Another powerful way to expand one's knowledge is by working with knowledgeable people who can provide valuable insights and expertise. For those with ambitious goals, staying informed about the latest developments in their field is crucial. This can be done through means of renting knowledge, where individuals can access the expertise of others to gain a competitive edge. Imagination is often referred to as the workshop of the mind. It is through imagination that ideas and products are given shape and form. There are 2 types of imagination: systematic imagination, which involves arranging old concepts, thoughts, and plans in a new combination, and creative imagination, which provides inspiration and endless ideas from knowledge. Organized planning is the crystallization of desire into action. Merely thinking or hoping for success is not enough. Achievement begins with a strong desire, and the ability to translate that desire into a well-organized plan. It's important to acknowledge that no plan is perfect, and temporary defeat should be seen as a signal to revisit and revise the plan rather than giving up. Decision-making is the mastery of procrastination. Successful individuals make immediate decisions and remain unwavering in their direction. They possess the courage to stand by their decisions and pursue what they want. In conclusion, the journey to success involves continually acquiring specialized knowledge, leveraging the power of imagination, implementing organized planning, and making decisive decisions. By following these principles, individuals can strive towards their goals and navigate the ever-changing landscape of their chosen field. Fear is a powerful force that can either cripple us or propel us forward. It is a state of mind that can be controlled and directed to our advantage. In this book, we unlock the power of our thoughts to transform strong desires and definite purposes into reality. At the core of our journey is faith, a seed that keeps us grounded and resilient. With faith, we stay connected to our goals and stay committed, even when faced with challenges. Every achievement, every success story starts with a strong desire. It is this desire that fuels our determination and fuels our actions, but desires alone are not enough. We need a plan, a roadmap to guide us, and that's where imagination comes in. With a detailed plan in place, we can use our imagination to visualize the desired outcome and manifest it into reality. Our thoughts have the power to shape our world. Successful people understand the importance of making decisions swiftly and sticking to them. They know that wavering minds lead to indecisiveness, which hinders progress. They reach for a definite decision quickly and change their mind slowly, allowing them to stay focused and move forward with purpose. The lack of persistence is one of the biggest reasons for failure. It is easy to give up when faced with obstacles or setbacks, but true success lies in the ability to persevere. Persistence is the key that unlocks doors and paves the way to greatness. It is through persistence that we overcome challenges and achieve our goals. However, we cannot do it alone. To truly harness our potential, we need the help of a mastermind. A mastermind is a collective of like-minded individuals who come together to support and motivate each other. It is in the collective wisdom of the mastermind that we find the strength and guidance to propel us towards big power and success. Fear is a state of mind, but it is not something to be afraid of. With control and direction, fear can be turned into a powerful ally. It is through understanding and managing fear that we unlock our true potential. Thank you, friends, for joining us on this transformative journey. We hope you found value in this video. If you haven't already done so, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel immediately. By subscribing, you'll stay connected to more inspiring content that will fuel your motivation consistently. Don't forget to like and comment on this video. Your feedback is invaluable to us, and it encourages us to continue creating content that resonates with you. With your support, we can continue to empower and uplift each other. If you're interested in collaborating with us, we welcome you to email us. We believe in the power of collaboration and are open to exploring opportunities to work together towards our collective success. Remember, fear is a state of mind. It depends on control and direction. Embrace this knowledge and use it to your advantage. Together, we can conquer fear and transform our lives. Thank you, friends. I hope you liked this video. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then subscribe to our channel immediately. Also, like and comment on this video. This will increase our motivation consistently. If you want to collaborate, then you can email us. If you think this video can help other people, then share this video with everyone. We will meet soon with an even better video. Thank you so much.